Good morning, students. Now, last time we have completed exercise 4.2 till question number 7. Today we'll see question number 8. Here in question number 8, we have 1a square, 1b square, 1c square, and we want to prove is equals to a minus b minus c, and c minus a. Now, here in RHS, we want a minus b. So, from this we can see that if we subtract second row from first, we'll get a minus b. Similarly, here we will have a square minus b square. Okay, now similarly here we have b minus c, so we can subtract row 3 from row 2, right? So let us start with the LHS. So from LHS we can say that, wait a minute, LHS is equals to 1a square, 1b square, 1c square. Okay, now R1 minus R2 and R2 minus R3. So 1 minus 1, 0. Then we have a minus b, a square minus b square. Then again 1 minus 1. So we are subtracting row 3 from row 2. So 0, b minus c, and b square minus c square. Now further, if we factorize a square minus b square and b square minus c square, we will have a minus b, a plus b, and for b square minus c square we will have b minus c and b plus c. Now from 0 we can take anything common, because we can write here 0 into a minus b. So taking a minus b common from first row and b minus c common from second row, we will have a minus b into b minus c. Then inside the determinant sign we will have 0, 1, a plus b, 0, 1, b plus c. Then last row as it is, that is 1, c and c square. Now expanding determinant along column 1, because we have two zeros here. So if we expand through column 1, we will have here 0 into anything 0, plus again 0 into anything 0. So last one, and then we will not consider that row and column. We will have 1 a plus b, 1 b plus c. On expanding this, we will have c minus a, which is our RHS. Okay, now second question number 9. Okay, we have question number 8, second sum. Okay, here we have 1, 1, 1, a, b, c, a cube, b cube, c cube, and we want to prove a minus b, b minus c, c minus a plus b plus c. Now, here we can see if we subtract second column from first column, we will have a minus b, similarly a cube minus b cube, and third column from second one. Okay, so c1 minus c2, and from column 2 we are subtracting column 3. So 1 minus 1, 0, then a minus b, then a cube minus b cube. Similarly 0, b minus c, b cube minus c cube. Now formula for a cube minus b cube is a minus b in other bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly we can apply same formula here, b minus c, then b square plus bc plus c square. Now see here, from column 1 we can take a minus b common after factorizing a cube minus b cube, and from column 2 we can take b minus c common. So after taking a minus b and b minus c common, we will have 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 c. Here the next factor was a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly b square plus bc plus c square. Okay, now you can expand along with the first row, or c1 minus c2 also you can do. Okay, so it's your choice, whatever you want to do you can do it. Okay, so now next steps are your homework. Okay, now let us see the next sum. So here in question number 8 we have 1 and 2. Okay, so second part I gave you as a homework. Now let us see the next question, that is question number 10. Question number 9 again homework. Question number 10, we have here x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4 this way. Okay, what we want to prove is 5x plus 4 and 4 minus x. So whenever you see, first of all you see the RHS, what you want. Here we want 5x plus 4 and 4 minus x. So let us observe here 4 minus x, we don't have any clue here, but for 5x plus 4, if I add all this row, why? Because 2x plus 2x, 4x plus x will be 5x. So adding all the rows, so r1 plus r2 plus r3 will give you 5x plus 4. So now taking 5x plus 4 common from the r1. Okay, got it? So 5x plus 4 common, we will have 1, 1, 1, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. Now see what you can do. If we subtract second column from first one, so 1 minus 1 will be 0. We try to get maximum 0, so that for expansion we will be like with 0 we can expand it very easily. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. Here 2x minus 2x, again it will be 0, and 2x minus x will be x minus 4. Okay, so from first column you can take x minus 4 common, and then you can expand it. Okay, so you will get the desired result. 1x, x square 1x, x square 1. Okay, so all the 1x, x square is here, we can say it as a like it is moving. Okay, now here we have 1 minus x cube whole square, but formula for 1 minus x cube is 1 minus x, 1 plus x square. Okay, so if we add all these elements, we will get 1 plus x square. So either you add all the columns or you add all the rows, you will get 1 plus x square. So let us add C1, C2 and C3. So if we add C1, C2, C3, our first column will be 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x, and x plus x square plus 1. Okay, so taking 1 plus x square common from column 1, we will have 1, 1, 1 here, and remaining column as it is. Now if what we'll do, we can subtract row 2 from row 1 and row 3 from row 2. Okay, so subtracting, or also you can subtract columns. So subtracting column here, C1 minus C2 will give you 1 minus x, 0, 1 minus x square. C2 minus C3 will be x minus x square, 1 minus x, x square minus 1. Okay, now see here, if you factorize this, you will get 1 minus x and 1 plus x. Similarly here, if we take x common, we will have 1 minus x. Factorizing this will give you x minus 1 and x plus 1. So taking 1 minus x common from C1 and C2 both. So outside the determinant we will have 1 minus x the whole square. Okay, and inside the determinant we will have here 1, 0, 1 plus x, x 1 and minus of x plus 1, because we took 1 minus x common. Okay, now from this 1 minus x into 1 plus x square will be 1 minus x cube, and 1 minus x as it is and expanded. Okay, so you will get the 1 plus x square, and 1 minus x is there. So ultimately it will be 1 minus x cube whole square. Now let us move on the next sum. Okay, now next sum, question number 11. Okay, now here we have a minus b minus c, 2b, 2c, 2a, b minus c, a, and okay. Now what we want to prove is equals to a plus b plus c the whole cube. Now if we add all the rows, right, so a minus b minus c plus 2b plus 2c will be a plus b plus c. Similarly here a plus b plus c. Okay, now taking a plus b plus c common from row 1, so that will give you 1, 1, 1, 2b and b minus c minus a, 2b, 2c, 2c, c minus a minus b. Now next step would be c1 minus c2 and c2 minus c3. Okay, now again you can take a plus b plus c common from first column and from second column. So after taking it common, outside the determinant you will have a plus b plus c whole cube. Okay, and then if you expand the determinant you will get the value 1. So that will be our RHS. Okay, now next sum, question number 13. Here you want to prove that one. Let us see this in next video. Thank you. Question number 13. 1 plus a square minus b square, 2ab 2b, and 2ab 1 minus a square b square minus 2a minus 2b 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Now see, clearly we cannot get 1 plus a square plus b square after adding any row or any column. So what I am doing here, I am taking b common from row 1. Okay, here we have b, here we have b. So to take b common, I will multiply 1 plus a square minus b square by b and divide by b. So we are taking b common from row 1 and a common from row 2. So outside the determinant we will have a and b. Why? Because we have taken common a and b. So first row will be 1 plus a square minus b square upon b, 2a minus 2. Here 2b 1 minus a square plus b square upon a. Why? Because we took a common from row 2. That's why we are multiplying and dividing. Now here we have 2, then third row as it is. Okay. Now in next step what we will do, see, if we multiply this b with the first column and a with the second column, we can remove this bb. Okay, similarly if you multiply second column by a, so we are multiplying this a with column 2 and b with column 1. So our next step would be, next step 1 plus a square minus b squares, because we multiply by b, so that b was in denominator which cancel with the b. So 1 plus a square minus b square, here 2b square 2b square. Okay, now you can see here, if we add row 2 in row 1, we will get 1 plus a square plus b square. Similarly here you add, you will get 1 plus a square plus b square minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. Again, now we are subtracting row 3 from row 2. Why? Because here we have 1 minus a square plus b square. Here we have minus 2a square. So we cannot add. That's why we are subtracting. So we'll get here 1 plus a square plus b square. Now 2b square minus 2b square 0. Then subtract minus 2a square from this will give you 1 plus a square plus b square. Here 2 minus 1 minus a square minus b square will give you 1 plus a square plus b square. Now here you can see that we can take 1 plus a square plus b square common from row 1 and 1 plus a square plus b square from row 2. So taking it common from row 1 and row 2, we will have 1 plus a square plus b square the whole squares. Wait a minute. Okay, so outside the determinant we will have 1 plus a square plus b square whole square, because we took it common from row 1 and row 2. So now we have here 1 1 0 0 1 1 2b square minus 2a square into and 1 minus a square minus b square. Now you can expand it. Okay, so remaining 2-3 steps are your homework. Now let us move on the last sum of the exercise. Now last sum, question number 14. Here we have a square plus 1 ab ca, ab b square plus 1 cb, ac bc and c square plus 1 is equals to what we want to prove. So you can see in your textbook. Okay, now here what we are doing, we are taking a common from row 1, b common from row 2 and c from row 3 respectively. So when we are taking a common from row 1, we have to divide a square plus 1 by a. Similarly b square plus 1 by b and c square plus 1 by c. Now again we are following the same method that we have done in the previous. So let us multiply column 1 by a, column 2 by this b and column 3 by c. We will have a square plus 1 and a square, then okay, a square plus 1. Here we have a square, b square, 1 plus b square, c square and c square plus 1. Now in RHS we want 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. So clearly if you add all the columns, you will get here 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Similarly a square plus 1 plus b square plus c square. So after adding all the columns, you will get 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square. Then you take a square plus b square plus c square plus 1 common from column 1. So your column 1 will be 1 1 1 and remaining 2 column as it is. Then you can subtract row 1, row 2 and row 3, so that you will get 0 0 and then you expand it. Okay. Thank you. In next lecture, we will learn the next topic, that is area by determinant. Thank you. Bye bye.